In this video, I explained healthy desserts. Watch this full video. Healthy desserts can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing nutritional benefits. Here are some ideas and recipes for healthy desserts. 1. Fruit-based desserts. A. Fruit salad. Mix a variety of fresh fruits like berries, kiwi, pineapple, and citrus. Add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice and a sprinkle of mint for extra flavor. B. Baked apples, core an apple, and fill it with a mixture of oats, nuts, cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey. Bake until tender. C. Grilled peaches. Halve peaches, remove the pit, and grill them until they are soft and caramelized. Serve with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a drizzle of honey. 2. Yogurt and smoothie desserts. A. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of granola or nuts. B. Smoothie bowl. Blend frozen berries, a banana, and a splash of almond milk until thick. Pour into a bowl and top with granola, nuts, and fresh fruit. 3. Healthy baking alternatives. A. Oatmeal cookies. Use oats, mashed bananas, and a bit of honey or maple syrup as the base. Add in dark chocolate chips or dried fruits. B. Avocado brownies. Replace butter with mashed avocado in your brownie recipe. Avocado provides healthy fats and makes the brownies moist and rich. C. Almond flour muffins. Use almond flour as a gluten-free, nutrient-rich alternative to regular flour. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup and add fruits like blueberries or apples. 4. No-bake desserts. Bay energy balls. Combine oats, nut butter, honey, and add-ins like dark chocolate chips, chia seeds, or dried fruit. Roll into balls and refrigerate. B. Chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and a bit of sweetener like maple syrup. Let it sit overnight in the fridge. Add fresh fruit on top before serving. C. Raw vegan cheesecake. Blend a crust from nuts and dates. For the filling, blend soaked cashews with coconut milk, lemon juice, and a natural sweetener. Freeze until set. 5. Dark chocolate treats. A dark chocolate bark. Melt dark chocolate and spread it thin on a baking sheet. Sprinkle with nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Let it harden in the fridge and break into pieces. B. Chocolate dipped fruit. Dip strawberries, banana slices, or apple wedges in melted dark chocolate. Let them set in the fridge. 6. Frozen treats. A. Frozen yogurt popsicles. Blend Greek yogurt with fruits and a bit of honey. Pour into popsicle molds and freeze. B. Banana ice cream. Blend frozen banana slices until smooth. Add a bit of cocoa powder or peanut butter for extra flavor. C. Berry sorbet. Blend frozen berries with a splash of water or juice until smooth. Serve immediately or freeze for a firmer texture. Tips for making desserts healthier. Use natural sweeteners. Opt for honey, maple syrup, or dates instead of refined sugar. Incorporate whole grains. Use whole grain flours like oat flour or whole wheat flour. Add healthy fats. Use avocado, nuts, seeds, or coconut oil. Increase fiber. Add fruits, vegetables, or whole grains to boost fiber content. Control portions. Even healthy desserts can be high in calories, so keep portion sizes in check. These healthy dessert options allow you to enjoy sweet treats without compromising on nutrition.